Thanks for stopping by at Twisted Art Designs. Today I just want to talk about my new way of storing my Caran Neocolor II crayons, which, as you know if you've watched some of my other videos, they're one of my very favorite art supplies. And I just want to say a quick thank you to Kay for buying me a cup of coffee. I appreciate it, and I'm raising my cuppa to you. I appreciate all donations to my tip jar and buying me a cup of coffee. It helps me to buy art supplies and keep making these videos to share with you, so thank you so much. I'm honored. And I will add Kay's name to my gratitude page that I showed in my journal flip through of my Tisha Moore journal. I have a page on there for gratitude names for anyone that's made a donation. I put their name on the page and it just reminds me of my blessings. So thank you so much. I have a bunch of other videos that show tips and tricks and techniques and things I use these for. So I'll put the link to those videos in the description box below in case you're interested in some tip ideas on how to use Caran Neocolor II crayons. In my past videos, I've shown a lot of different ways that I've stored my Neocolor IIs, and it's changed and evolved. And what I've landed on is this, and it's super simple and super easy. These storage bins are at Walmart in their office supply section. So they have them in all different sizes, big and small. They have snap top lids that come off like this, so the ends of them pop up and snap. And what I discovered is that they fit the Neocolor II crayons perfectly. So they're just the right height for your Neocolor IIs. And what I've done is I take toilet paper rolls and I cut them in half or thirds and use them to divide my colors. So if you don't, it also keeps them standing up really nice and straight too. But if you don't want to do that and you don't care about your colors mixing, I like keeping them in sections like blues and yellows, blues and greens, browns, blacks and grays, purples, orange, red, yellow, and then the colors that I like to use for doing faces of my cute whimsy girls. So the toilet paper rolls, just hold them up. It separates the colors out, and as the crayons get short, it's perfect to still be able to reach in there and dig them out and get them out of this container. But what I like about it is that it's super portable, super easy to just take this to wherever it is that you're using them for, either adult coloring books or maybe mixed media art. I like to do my art standing, sitting, and laying because that's what I need to do for my physical capabilities. So if I'm going to go stand at my bar and do some artwork, I can just carry this cute little box in there and have my Neocolors right where I need them, or next to my recliner, or in my art studio. So I just thought I'd share that these boxes for storing art supplies or storing office supplies in the office supply section at Walmart are perfect. They're inexpensive. I think it was a couple dollars, maybe $3 for the box, but it's perfect, and it holds all of the Neocolor II crayons that are available to purchase. So I thought I would share, and I hope this gives you an idea for how to store your Neocolor IIs. And I hope they're one of your favorite art supplies too, because they sure are mine. So go make some art, because art soothes the heart. And thanks for stopping by today.